restoration going on. Amazing. Look at this. Restoration of the roof. Structures, all the wooden. Where will the living go after Earth? All the living. There's a sign there. It says, "Where will the living go after Earth?" It's all in your head. Nobody knows. Do you? Amazing. This temple has been preserved. Amazing. Oh. Wow. Roof been restored, so the copper sheet's going to be sort of shaped into the style of this lattice type roof. It's been replaced, the old wooden slats been replaced with the new. That's the incredible engineering, folks. Earthquake-proofed hangar.